Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have what matters: domain knowledge, time, and a simple system. First, pick 3 industries you understand and write down real pain points from memory. Then schedule one focused hour this week to interview a potential user. Ask about frustrations, workarounds, and costs. Once done, capture every problem in a shared backlog and tag frequency and severity. This gives you raw data to prioritize ideas fast and prevent spinning on vague concepts. Now you compare and test. Start by mapping competitors, features, pricing, gaps. Do this in one spreadsheet so comparisons are immediate. Next, build a 3-question landing page that explains the problem, your solution, and a call to action. Collect emails and interest level. Then run 5 rapid tests, ads, outreach, or posts, and measure clicks, signups, and qualitative replies. If you get signal, sketch an MVP focused on the biggest unmet need and the simplest deliverable. You ship the smallest thing that solves the top pain. Build an MVP that delivers one core win and instrument it with clear metrics: activation, retention, and payment intent. During launch week, talk to your first 10 users, ask what worked and what confused them, then iterate. If adoption stalls, diagnose quickly. Revalidate the problem with fresh interviews, try a pricing tweak, or simplify onboarding. One key troubleshooting tip: if feedback is inconsistent, stop feature work and run targeted interviews to unify.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.